To use your Capital One card before it arrives, you need to understand the process and options available to you. First, you should know that once you are approved for a Capital One card, you can expect to receive your physical card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. However, if you need to use your card immediately, there are a few options you can consider. One option is to use your card details online or over the phone. Once you are approved for a Capital One card, you can access your account online and view your card details, including your card number, expiration date, and security code. You can then use these details to make online purchases or pay bills over the phone. Another option is to use the Capital One mobile app. If you have downloaded the Capital One mobile app, you can access your account and view your card details. You can also use the app to make mobile payments or add your card to a digital wallet such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. It is also possible to request a digital card from Capital One. A digital card is a temporary card that can be used until your physical card arrives. To request a digital card, you can log into your account online or through the mobile app and follow the prompts to request a digital card. To use your Capital One card before it arrives, you will need to have the following information: your card number, expiration date, and security code. You can find this information by logging in to your account online or through the mobile app. You will also need to have a valid email address and phone number associated with your account. In terms of best practices, it is always a good idea to keep your card details and account information secure. This means avoiding using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account and keeping your login credentials and card details confidential. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. In conclusion, using your Capital One card before it arrives is possible and can be convenient if you need to make a purchase or pay a bill immediately. By understanding the options available to you and following the steps outlined above, you can use your card details online or over the phone, or request a digital card to use until your physical card arrives. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure and monitor your account activity regularly.